Surprise for Chiliz Holder. After a very long time, my friends, a lot of holder ask me to what we do in this terrible condition. Chiliz not just unique, Chiliz is fails down. All crypto market is fails down, guys. All crypto market, all my favorite. You can see this time. Chiliz is also fails down. So what we do in this terrible condition is sell, hold, or buy, and there is a chance to in upcoming times they moving upward, or there is no chance. So exactly, I will completely explain you in this surprising video. So the surprise is that to absolutely the giveaway is coming soon. Otherwise, my friend, this video is not be surprise because this surprise is going to be very bad. Exactly, this surprise is going to be very bad. So Chiliz Holder, if you can see this time from previous 7 days, Chiliz is completely fast. Not just unique Chiliz, all crypto market. You can see this time the change occur will be negative minus 0.46% fails down. Chiliz Holder, can you see this fails? Can you see? And what you do, please tell me in a comment box. Absolutely, I need your opinion to absolutely I understand to my subscriber, my viewers can I understand this too, or when they fails down what we do or not. I also tell you, my friend, but please you also share your personal experience, my friend. First of all, I'm going to show you the update of this, and absolutely after that we predicate this 0.39663 USD dollar is the latest price. At this time you can see the prices will be changed very fastly. This time you can see here the price come to 43 USD dollar at the end. If you can see here, my friends, at the end you can see here this time 4.3 and here is 3.2. So it's a very difference, my friend, in the price. Exactly, the price will be decreased in this time. So my brother, this time it's mean to price come to fails down. Absolutely, my friend, all crypto market fails down, so therefore also there is a chance to Chiliz is also fails down. But definitely I have one good news, my friend, for all of you. The good news is that at the end of month every cryptocurrency is moving upward very fastly, very fastly, my friend. So therefore there is a more chances to them moving upward at the end of month. So kindly you need to hold it, don't sell it, and wait for the end of it. If you can see, my friend, this time in the last 24 hours also they fails down minus 9.81 or 82% they fails down. So it's a very big and very big news, my friend, especially for all of you to in the previous day in the end in the first week, my friend, they fails down. But don't see, my friend, this short fail. I hope at the end of month they completely go in the moon and they will give you very good profit. So Chiliz Holder, you need to hold it, because Chiliz is moving upward at the end of month. They completely go in the moon, so you need to hold it and just only make a good profit. Thanks for watching, Chiliz Holder. If you have any more question, kindly ask me, I will explain you. Thanks for watching. Allah Hafiz. Like this video.